Hiya. There was something today that actually popped up with one of our clients, and so um, I made a quick script for them. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite funny having these background things. And anyway, I made this, and I was thinking this could be useful for a lot of people. It's about why false beliefs are actually holding back webinar funnel results, but also how to fix them. It's a training we went through earlier this year. One of Laurel's mentors actually went through it with Nick Peterson more than once, and I thought I could spend some time with you today, just a few minutes, to walk you through, first of all, how to identify the false beliefs that actually are keeping your webinar leads from buying from you. Not just that, though, how to actually address them effectively, because then you get more sales, And if you want this guide, this false belief guide I created for my client today, do you see that? Okay, it's quite funny. Just drop me a line. You can either leave a comment below, or you can just send me a message. I don't mind. I'm Tina Sanford. I am the founder of tinasanford.com, funny enough. And since 2020, I've actually been specializing in advertising for businesses worldwide. And I'm mainly focused on highly effective low-cost video ads. Okay. Now, I actually did retire in 2010 to this place behind me, to Fuerteventura. But I'm here because I like helping people leverage video ads to grow their businesses so they can free up their time, just like I've had. It's something that actually excites me. But today, I want to talk to you about one of the hidden reasons why your webinar funnel isn't actually converting as well as perhaps it used to, or perhaps it could do, right? And the main thing is that what we're finding right now is your leads have something called false beliefs. And this is what's actually stopping them from saying yes to you, okay? Let me show you what I mean. Okay, now, your webinar, it could be the best in the world. You've probably optimized it. It's probably presenting your offer really well. It's probably a beautiful webinar, but often you're finding that there's something actually deeper holding your ideal prospects back, and there's things that they might be believing right now because we're in a state of market saturation and complication. Things have changed. So here's what I mean. Even if your webinar does a great job at presenting your offer, there are people that are thinking, this won't work for me because I have, let's say, tried different things, similar things before. Things that they also might be thinking right now. A lot of people think that they don't have enough time. A lot of people don't feel they don't have enough skills to succeed. There's a lot of people thinking, oh gosh, this thing sounds too good to be true, so it probably is too good to be true. We're finding a lot of this going on right now with people's funnels. But these can be false beliefs. You know how your funnel works, you know how your offer works. But if you don't address them, you might have ideal people out there needing what you got, but they're never going to take the next step because of these false beliefs, no matter how good your webinar or offer might be. Okay. What we're finding is most business owners right now are trying to overcome this by adding in more proof or logic into the webinar, like extra testimonials or even more data. But the problem is this. One, we've got AI going on, so anybody can make anything as long as they've got, a bit of an idea. But the second thing is, false beliefs just aren't logical. They're actually emotional. Okay, remember Spock, he's logical, but the rest of the crew, no. Anyway, the point is they actually come from people's past experiences, they come from people's fears, and the doubts that your leads actually carry with them are going to be what's actually affecting their decisions. But this is why the first step to actually fixing this is actually to identify exactly what your audience's false beliefs are. Because once you can identify what's actually holding them back, you can address those beliefs directly in your webinar. And you can also do it in your follow-up ads, your retargeting, and you can even do it in your sales calls. For example, let's take an example. Okay, so let's say that one of your audience's false beliefs is a common one. I've tried this kind of thing before and it didn't work. How many times have you heard that? What you could do, though, if you've got something like that, is you could share a story about a successful client who felt exactly the same way, had the same experience, but they got results because of a unique part of your process. That is so much more powerful than saying something like, trust me, it works, or something, But the thing is, this will work because your leads, they actually feel seen and heard. They feel understood. And when you actually address their false beliefs head on, they actually start to trust you. And they'll actually start to believe that your solution is different, which we hope it is. Now, if you're not sure to start with all this, because it feels like a lot, I know, I created a false belief guide this morning for one of my clients. And the idea is behind this is it helps you to actually uncover these beliefs, but it also shows you exactly how to address them. So if you want this, just send me a message in Messenger, or you can even go to my website if you want to just contact me. Just send it over to you. I don't mind sharing this with people if it helps, okay? But with this guide I've created, you actually stop losing leads. You actually stop losing those leads who are actually hesitating because they feel stuck right now emotionally. And then with that, you actually start seeing more webinar viewers, move forward with confidence, and take action on your offer so you can help them.